You're gonna create a shotgun shell using Blender in about 60 seconds. And the craziest part is that you can download and use this 3D model completely for free right now, using the links in the description below. Download Blender if you don't have it already, it's free and open source. Now let's create a shotgun shell using Blender. Start up a new file, then create a new cylinder mesh with around 12 vertices. Scale it to be taller. You could use a reference image of a shotgun shell, but I'm eyeballing it. And select the bottom face and extrude out. Now select the faces around the bottom part and scale it outwards to give it some depth. And select the bottom face, then extrude inwards. Inset again, and then extrude outwards to create the primer pin. Now we will select the face at the top and inset it, then extrude downwards. And we will add a subdivision modifier to make the shotgun shell smooth and nice. Remember to apply this modifier before exporting. Then we will work on the materials. The bottom part of the shell will be gold, while the entire top will be red, and the primer pin will be a nice silverish color. And congratulations, you've created a shotgun shell using Blender. Remember that you can download this shotgun shell 3D model for free right now, using the links below. And 99.9% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing all of your positive feedback is pretty motivating. Let me know what I should make next by commenting down below, and check out some of the games I've made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching. See ya.